Welcome back to Global Megabuilds. Today, we're taking a detailed look at Spotify Camp Nou and the latest updates across the stadium. Every week, progress is clearly visible, and this week is no different. From the Tribune to underground parking and the future club store, work is moving at an impressive pace, and it's exciting to see how the stadium is slowly coming back to life. Let's explore all the key updates. Inside the Tribune, the corridors are shaping up wonderfully. Railings, glass panels, lighting, and finishing touches are being installed, and some areas already look almost complete. It's amazing to see how quickly this part of the stadium is coming together. This week, many pillars and beams were prepared for their upper sections, ready for concrete pouring. Every update makes the Tribune look stronger and more advanced. Truly impressive progress. The third tier is making huge visual progress. Prefabricated concrete sections are being installed steadily, gradually revealing the stadium's final structure. In the south goal area, workers are carefully placing reinforcements and panels along the upper edges, a vital step before installing seats. It's amazing to see the scale of this work and how quickly the structure is taking shape. Each section added shows just how massive and impressive the stands will look once completed. Underground, the parking areas are moving along at a remarkable pace. Structural panels are nearly all in place, and concrete bases are being reinforced to finalize the lower levels. These areas are crucial, not only for parking but also for technical operations supporting the stadium. The level of precision and teamwork on site is impressive, and it's clear how solid and carefully planned this part of the project is. Every panel and beam shows the dedication of the workers, making this section both functional and robust. The North Diamond area is full of energy this week. Vertical panels and reinforcement bars are being installed, shaping this important section of the stadium. Meanwhile, the future club store is also progressing beautifully. Walls and interior panels are going up, and it's easy to picture how this space will become a lively hub for fans, both before and after matches. Camp Nou is not just about football. It's about creating spaces for fans to connect and experience the club, and these updates show that vision coming to life. Elsewhere inside the stadium, block walls are rising, and finishing touches are being added across several corridors. Safety railings, signage, and media and broadcast setups are all coming together beautifully. Every small detail is carefully implemented, showing how much attention is being given to making the stadium both functional and impressive. The progress here is subtle but crucial, and it's exciting to see how these pieces fit into the larger project. That wraps up this week's update at Spotify Camp Nou. From the rapidly advancing Tribune and third tier to the busy underground parking areas and the future club store, the stadium is moving forward in every corner. Deadlines are tight, but it's inspiring to see the project steadily coming back to life. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting, make sure to give it a like. Then don't forget to subscribe to Global Megabuilds and press the bell icon, so you'll always stay updated with our latest videos. And share this video with your friends to spread the word. We'll keep bringing you more updates and new videos on this topic in the future. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.